Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this review of our day trading session for the last day of April. Okay, let's start early in the morning. We'll go over this chart first and then to our directional trades. We had a counter trend trade where we got 1 point and then our target of 2 points in and out. That was at 9:35, 9:42. Right behind it, we had a counter trend divergence trade that we were on that one. We were all in and out with 1 point. The next few for the morning were on the other chart, which I'll show you. And then we came back in the afternoon, and right away in the afternoon, we were able to get a scale-in trade that we were able to get our point. So we were in and out of that one fairly quickly. We stepped up, did a counter trend divergence trade, got our point, and in and out of that one. So that those were the ones on that chart. We were 6-1 today. And I've updated the website. We're in the middle of updating it, but I've had a number of people who are interested in, being, well, they trade more contracts than I was showing on the um, spreadsheets that we and had some requests for quite a long time. So I've updated it, and also is on par with what many websites show, whether it's 10 or 20 contracts. Then you can drill back down to the number of, you'll notice on mine I put one lot points, so that way anybody trading a one lot or two or three or four can see what they would have gotten for themselves. But with one trading 9 contracts today, managing the runners with a 6-1 that we had, it would have been a $2,100 day today. Now let me flip over to the 1000 directional or tick chart. Let's go back to early morning. First trade that we did take actually was 9:48. It was this trade here. We lost 2 points. That was our only loser for the day. We then stepped up at 10:04, took this trade. We got our 1 point on that. We were in and out. Actually, no, 1 and 2. Sorry. We got our target, 1 and 2 points, and we were out. These other areas are these trades here. These two here, we were in support and resistance areas we didn't take. I like making notations when I review my charts in the evening to see what happened, whether they worked or not, even if we didn't take it. These next couple of trades, actually it's 3, these all happened during lunchtime, and I think we're going to change our hours. I think we're going to work during lunch. Over the past few months, there's been a number of trades, and these were nice trades during lunch that worked. So we may work through lunch and just take the afternoon off later in the afternoon. This is another one that worked. These two worked. Just to show you, we happened to be in that scale-in trade and the counter trend divergence trade from the other chart I showed you. So obviously we weren't in these trades also. They were both winners. The ones we took were winners, so that was good. And then we had our last trade of the day was this 1K for a winner with 1 point and out at break even on everything else. So those were our trades for the day. Let me just show you the rest of these. These happened after we were done trading, before the close, and we had, actually there were 2 more trades that worked out very nicely. No heat, and virtually no heat taken on that one. But we didn't take those. We do stick to rules, and once we hit over our target, stop trading and go have a life, go do something you enjoy, and don't get burnt out trading. We don't get paid to sit in front of the computer. We get paid for taking successful trades, or we lose money on the unsuccessful ones. So thanks for joining Uncle Mike, and look forward. We start May tomorrow, so a new month, and we'll get all psyched up, ready to go, and make some more money in May. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you tomorrow.